How long does it actually take to get into cybersecurity? In this video, I am going to give you a real answer and show you what actually changes the timeline. So here's something most people don't hear. There are over 3 million unfilled cybersecurity jobs globally. That's a lot. What that means is that the issue is not whether opportunities exist in cybersecurity, it's how quickly you can position yourself to access them. My name is Kimberly Simon, and I help non technical professionals find and start cybersecurity careers without needing to code. So, how long does it take? How long does it take to get into the cybersecurity industry? A lot of people ask me that. And you'll hear answers like 3 months, 6 months, 2 years. But those timelines don't mean much on their own because two people can spend the exact same amount of time and get completely different results. That's why I want to show you something. Think about two people trying to learn a new language. One downloads apps, watches videos, tries different methods, a little bit here, a little bit there, a little bit of everything. We all know those people. And the other decides, I'm going to learn Spanish for travel. Now, everything they learn is focused. So they spend the same amount of time, but they get very different outcomes. So cybersecurity works the same way. Time is not the variable. Focus is. Here's what actually slows people down. They stay in learning mode too long. You know those people that keep learning, and you're like, well, when are you going to move? They keep researching. They keep comparing paths. They keep trying to understand everything, but they never lock in on a direction. So progress feels slow for those people, even when they're putting in a lot of effort, even if they're putting in a lot of time. On the other side of that, the people who move faster do something differently. And I've seen it. They narrow down early. They pick a direction, even if it's not perfect, and they just build around that. So instead of asking, how long does cybersecurity take? The better question is, how quickly can I get clear on where I fit? Which is the first thing, because that's what actually shortens your timeline. Let me make this useful. If you've been wanting to move faster, I'm going to give you 3 things that actually help. The first thing is set a 30-day focus window. Instead of trying to figure everything out, give yourself 30 days, just 30 days and explore one direction. It's not going to be forever, just long enough to build momentum. 30 days, one direction. The second thing is to measure progress differently. So don't just track what you've learned, track what you understand better, track what feels easier, track what makes more sense now. Now that's real progress because you're not just saying, oh, I did this course, I did this certification. You're tracking what you understand and what feels easier. The third thing is to limit your input. Too many videos, too many courses, too many opinions will slow you down. Pick a few trusted sources and just stay focused. So most people don't take too long. They just spend too long being unsure. If this has been on your mind, you want to get into cybersecurity, don't get stuck trying to predict the timeline. Focus on getting clear first. Everything moves faster after that. So one role, 30 days, keep going, stay focused, not too many videos. If you're still trying to figure out which direction makes sense to you, so you don't even know what role, I've put together something that helps you narrow that down quickly. Link below. If you're not already following me, follow me for more practical ways to break into cybersecurity without needing a technical or a coding background. See you in the next video.